Welcome back to the channel, and you guys know what's about to happen as you guys can see by the title. So today we're finally adding the flame tune that I've been wanting to add for the past year. So I wanted to do this at the time when I thought that I was going to be doing a single exit exhaust. It's still in the works. I was actually waiting on a company, but at this point I've just given up. I think it's been almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in December that we talked about getting this set up for the F chassis cars or the F3X cars. And I don't think it's gonna happen. He's making his business off the Supras, the A90 Supras. They have him busy, so I guess at this point, once business starts slowing down for the Supras, then that's when the F3X exhausts are gonna be coming out. So I don't have a timeline on when that's gonna happen, and I just didn't feel like waiting. So I went ahead and reached out to you guys. You guys probably know him as let me show you guys real quick. Alpine N55. Been in the F30 community for a while now. And then also, if you go into his other business account, which is this, he just started it. So go ahead and give him a follow. Very easy to buy the tune. Pretty much, you just pick whatever you want to do, whether it be boot mod or BM3 or MHD. So once you go into his website, this is what you do. Just go to View Tunes, pick whatever car you have. See, there we go, Supra, G Series, and F Series. So for example, we'll just go F Series B58. You can put, you can pick whatever tune, which is stage 0, 1, 2, or 2 plus. It gives you the options that you have to have. And you can pick whatever gas you want, 91, 93, or ethanol blend. So you just go to purchase. And then here you pretty much just follow the directions. It'll tell you everything on how you want to set it up. So yeah, very easy. So I went ahead and uploaded the map onto my MHD file. So all I have to do is go to flash custom map, and then you're going to be able to see the file that you want to flash. And we can go ahead and we're just going to leave all the options the way that they were. And we're going to go ahead and just do a long right. And we're going to let the car do its thing. And that should be pretty much it. Once all this is done, I do have to take the car for a drive, get the exhaust nice and warm. Obviously the car has been sitting overnight, and I do not want to start revving the car when it's cold either. So I'm going to take it for a drive. I'm going to drive it to the gym and back, and then we'll probably test it out. I might test it out by the time that I get over there, because it should be warming up by the time that I'm halfway. And yeah, we're going to see how the car sounds while I'm inside. And then I'll go back and do video of the car outside, so you guys can see what the actual tune looks like or sounds like. Okay, we got the car warmed up, put it in sport mode. Is that a cop behind me? I can't tell. I'm gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Alright, I'm gonna just wait till this traffic goes by. I think it might only do it after like 5,000 RPMs. Oh, okay. I don't think it's doing it. There's a car smoking. Sport Plus? Yeah, it just has my same burble settings, which is weird. Maybe I didn't do it right. So the reason why the burbles or the backfire wasn't working was because you actually have to turn off the exhaust burbles on your tune. Otherwise, I was told that this would override the custom tune. So now that I have it off, I'm gonna leave everything the same way that it was, and then just go back and do a map right. and then hopefully after this everything should be good to go. So yeah, don't make the same mistake that I did. So if you guys are getting the tune, make sure that your burbles are off. Burbles, turn those off, and you should be good to go. Well, we're about to find out. I think everything should be good. It does make sense. All right, so the car is not at operating temperatures to where you really want to get on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive the car, head back home, and by the time that we're halfway, it should be good to go, and then we can give it a try. The car is already warmed up, the oil you can see here, but I'm gonna be driving it a little bit, like another 5 minutes, just to get it warmed up a little bit more, and then we can do the actual test, and hopefully we get the positive results that we're looking for, unlike last time or just a little bit ago where my original burbles were overriding the tune. Come on, brother, get on it. Also, I ended up taking out the cover on the intake, so I think my intake noises are a little bit more pronounced. Just by a little bit, not too much, but I think I can hear it, or I might just be tripping out. Alright, you guys ready? We're about to get on it. Oh, fuck. I didn't even get on it, I can hear it. Ready? Under the bridge. Oh my god, dude. Wow. This is crazy. And you know, the higher you rev it, the louder it's probably gonna get, so the thing that I like about this is that I didn't want any of the crazy gunshots. To me, that's a little annoying. I just like the couple single pops, one or two. So if you guys are gonna do this, highly recommend that you just go for like the single shots. Just ask the tuner just to give you like a few, few pops instead of the crazy gunshots that a lot of people tend to get. What are you doing, man? Oh my goodness. Once we get on this highway, I'm gonna give it one good pull. See what happens. I also want to see how the car runs. Oh shit. flame right there. Crazy. Alright, so I brought the car over to this car wash so I can show you guys the actual flames, and that way I can see how they look like. I did a quick little test earlier today, and I gotta say some of them are pretty loud, pretty big, but there's only one way to find out, and that's for me to see it for myself.